Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed and today we will learn to create smoke effect using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Create a new file with equal length and width. Drag open the image on the artboard. Click the check button. Select the quick selection tool and select the subject. Click the Refine Edge button. From here, select New Layer and click OK. Delete the original image layer. Now click the layer with image and add the level adjustment layer to it. Clip it to image layer. Now, select both layers and press Ctrl J to make a copy of it. Now select the background layer and add gradient. Click here to choose the color for gradient. I'm using gray and white gradient. Click OK. Make it radial and reverse it. Set the angle and click OK. I want the image to be more on right, so that's why I'm deleting the copy of it. Select the layer and press Ctrl T. Move it to the right and rotate it a bit. Click the check mark. Again, select both layers and press Ctrl J to make a copy of it. Now, select the layer and add the mask on it. Invert it using Ctrl I. Double-click the mask and lower the density so the image is a bit visible. Select the brush tool and choose the smoke brush. Resize it. You can find the link of brushes and image in the description below. Press R key once and rotate the artboard. And then press B on the keyboard to switch to brush tool. Click on the artboard to make a smoke effect. Keep switching between rotate view and brush tool and add appropriate strokes. Again, double-click the mask and increase the density. Select the brush tool and choose soft rounded brush. Click on the face to make the area more visible. Make the copy of layer visible. Select it. Go to the Filter tab and click Liquify. Select the Freeze Mask tool and click the face and hand. Select the Forward Wrap tool, click and drag the areas to liquefy it. After you are done, click OK. Add the mask and invert it using Ctrl I. Double-click the mask and decrease the density. Just as we have done before, select the brush tool. Resize it. Switch between Rotate View and Brush tool by using shortcut key R and B respectively. Now, double-click the layer mask and increase the density. We are done creating the smoke effect using Adobe Photoshop. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!